Howdy guys, here's this L555 New Holland skid steer. I think it's got a Perkins diesel engine. They either come with a Perkins diesel or a Kubota diesel. I don't have the fuel up all the way on it, so it's not running as high RPMs as it can right now. So just to show you that it runs and it works. It's got just over 3,000 hours on it. Everything does work. Alright, you can see it goes up. The bucket works. We'll go on both directions. Got strong hydraulics. I can lift the whole thing up off the ground. You guys can't tell, but maybe you can, I don't know. It is off the ground on the front, so it does have strong hydraulics. Bucket down a little bit. So you can see that it does idle up high and everything like it should. It's the hours on it. Give you another walk around. It's a quick attach bucket. Brand new tires. Brand new rims too for the tires. Only thing is when I got these tires mounted, they mounted one of them on the other side the wrong direction. So if you want it right, it will need to be taken off and flipped around. All right. Well, that's it for this video. I wish I had someone to help me hold the camera, that way I could get in it and you could see it work from the outside instead of the inside, but it is what it is. Alright, have a good one.